Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Good afternoon and a warm welcome to the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. This quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Quiz moderator for this contest. Remember, the Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics, promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. Competing in this contest, we have Mepe Holy Christi, DA Global Evangelical School. Then we also have at
Great slide.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt. Your time is up. For a bonus, the slide master is a special slide that controls the overall design and layout of all slides in a presentation. So, Gakope, your main question, transition. So 2 out of 3 marks for Akachi College practice. Now, it is true air is a mixture. It contains more than one substance, different gases. But you were to tell me that they are physically combined. E. coli, bacteria, and human intestine.
Commentarism.
That is not correct. One more attempt.
Mutualism.
That is correct for 3 points. Shrisha. Sugakope DA Basic, your main question. Wasp and caterpillar.
Parasitism.
That is correct for 3 points. Question number 5. Again, this is a preamble to all schools. A water tank is in the shape of a cuboid with a length of 3 meters, a width of 1.5 meters, and a height of 2 meters. At Iteti MA Basic School, the tank is filled to 65% of its capacity. How many liters of water is inside?
Please, the question again.
The tank is filled to 65% of its capacity. Filled to 65% of its capacity. How many liters of water? How many liters of water is inside? For a bonus to the other 2 schools, 5 square square 2.5 square meters. Akachi College. The tank is elevated on a platform that is 1 meter high. Calculate the total surface area of the platform if it has the same base dimensions as the tank and the height of 1 meter.
Question again.
The tank is elevated on a platform that is 1 meter high. Calculate the total surface area of the platform if it has the same base dimensions as the tank and a height of 1 meter.
9.5 meters.
That is not correct. Question number 6. The following questions are statements. You have to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses, and you have one attempt only. We start with Sogakope DA Basic. Each icon
True.
True is correct for 3 points. Akachi College Practice Cluster B. All whole numbers are the reciprocal of rational numbers inclusive of 0.
Is the question again?
All whole numbers are the reciprocal of rational numbers inclusive of 0.
True.
It is wrong. It is false. The reciprocal of 0 is not a number. Atiteti MA Basic. A third is the product of a whole number.
False.
False is correct for 3 points. Sogakope DA Basic B. The product of a third and its conjugate is also a third.
True.
That is not correct. It is false. And this will bring us to the end of round 1. Before we bring you the scores, we'd like to acknowledge our sponsors. First of all, the quiz is organized by the University of Technology, Kumasi, supported by the Engineering, sponsored by the KNUST E-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, Dext Technologies, MTN Stakeholders Management, Everywhere You Go, Ghana Great Company Limited, Nestle Ghana Limited, Good Food, Good Life, and also to our media partner Kesben TV for amplifying our reach and impact. At the end of round 1, Akachi College Practice Cluster B, you have 11 points. At Titeti MA Basic School, you have 16 points. And Sogakope DA Basic B, you have 3 points. We go on to round 2. Fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from that question. After the buzzer is pressed, contestants, you must answer within 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school has a match. Sorry. Sogakope DA.
5 out of 8, 6 out of 5, and
That is not correct. The correct order, descending order, is 2/3, 5/8, and then 3/5. That is a correct descending order. Next question. The practice of applying controlled amounts of water to land to help grow crops, landscape plants, and lawn is Akachi College.
Irrigation.
Irrigation is correct for 4 points. To the next question. The property of materials which makes them to be easily drawn into thin wire is known as Akachi College.
Malleability.
That is not correct. Sogakope DA.
Ductility.
That is correct for 4 points. To the next question. What prevents a plant cell from bursting in And to the next question. A uniform rod 2 meters long is pivoted at 0.5 meters from one end. Find the velocity ratio. The correct answer is 3. To the final question in this round. If 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 9, then 5 will map to Akachi College.
25.
That is correct for 4 points, and this will bring us to the end of round 2. Before we bring you the scores, we'd like to thank our sponsors, the KNUST e-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, MTN stakeholders, Management, the Ghana Great Company, Nestle Ghana, and Kespen TV. At the end of round 2, Akachi College Practice Cluster B, you have 7 points. At T30 MA Basic School, you have 2 points. Sogakope DA Basic B, 7 points. When you put all scores together, at the end of 2 rounds, Akachi College Practice Cluster B, you have 18 points. At T30 MA Basic School, you also have 18 points. Sogakope DA Basic School, you have 10 points. There are some substitutions to be effected for round 3. For Akachi College Practice, Emmanuel is stepping out for Deladem. And for Sogakope DA Basic, Christabel is stepping out for Jeremy. So contestants, you are welcome to the contest. Thank you very much for staying with us. And so, after going through the work that you did for round 3, these are the breakdown. This is the breakdown of what you provided. Before I go into the individual responses, let us look at what we expected from you. So for task 1, questions. The phenomenon demonstrated is Newton's first law of motion. Before the related questions, the third task, C2 moved while C1 did not move. So these are 3 separate responses that was expected for the task that you performed. So the phenomenon demonstrated is Newton's first law of motion or friction. That will earn you 2 marks. And then secondly, because the surface of A is rough, there is a high friction retarding the motion of C1, and also since the surface of B is smooth, there is less friction, hence there is less retardation. Advantages, you were to state advantages and disadvantages. You said the related question 1 correctly, and then you also stated 1 advantage and 1 disadvantage instead of 2 each, bringing you to a total of 5 out of 10. Then Sogakope, you provided no answer for the first question. Second question you answered correctly, and for advantages and disadvantages you gave an answer that was not really related to the phenomenon by your observations, and you got 1 out of 4, bringing you to a total of 4 out of 10. And so at the end of 3 rounds, Akachi College Practice Cluster B, at the end of 3 rounds, you have 26 points. At Titeti, MA Basic School, you have 23 points. And Sogakope, DA Basic School, you have 14 points. We'll move on to the very final round for this evening's contest. This round is called Decoding the Clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If a question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. When you are answering a question, I will be using my hand gestures to show you the clue number. So you see 1 finger up for clue number 1, 2 fingers up for clue number 2, 3 fingers for clue number 3, 4 fingers, 5 fingers, in that order. And so to this first set of clues. I was discovered in the late 18th century and named after a mineral. I am a relatively rare element in the Earth's crust, but have important industrial applications. Atiteti on the second clue.
Oxygen.
That is not correct. Despite being lightweight, I am exceptionally strong and have a high melting point. My compounds are used in the manufacture of ceramics and electronics. I am classified as an alkaline earth between an N-type and P-type semiconductor. Sogakope DA.
PN junction diode.
That is correct for 3 points. To the third set of clues. I am a long muscular tube in your body. My wall Article 30 on the first.